Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS 15K1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Have you noticed that your MSI MS 15K1 makes an odd noise during use? This can often be caused by a failing fan or a loose component inside the laptop. If left unaddressed, the noise could lead to overheating or even permanent damage to the internal parts, affecting your laptop's performance. It's crucial to resolve this issue promptly. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and some thermal paste. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the base of the laptop using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the base is removed, locate the cooling fan, which is usually situated near the vent. Inspect it for any dust buildup or loose connections. If the fan is the source of the noise, carefully disconnect its cable from the motherboard. To remove the fan, unscrew the screws holding it in place, applying gentle force to lift it out. Be cautious not to disturb nearby components, as they can be fragile. Once the fan is free, you can replace it with a new one, ensuring it fits snugly in place. When reassembling, reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard and secure the fan with its screws. If you're also applying thermal paste, clean the old paste from the processor and apply a small amount of new paste before placing the heatsink back. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is securely back in place, gently press down on the back panel and replace the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, power on your laptop to check if the noise has disappeared and everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the fans and vents of your laptop to avoid dust buildup. Additionally, keep your laptop on hard surfaces to ensure proper airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.